Did you know there's a hidden gem in Italy that many tourists miss? When you think of Italy, you might imagine bustling Rome or romantic Venice. But there is a small town called Terre that will surprise you. It is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. In Terre, you can walk among ancient cave dwellings and narrow streets that feel like stepping back in time. The stunning views of the rocky landscape will take your breath away. Add to that the unique local cuisine, and you have a perfect place to explore. Try the famous bread of Terre, known for its crunchy crust and cheesy flavor. Did I mention the beautiful sunsets? They turn the stone buildings golden, creating a magical atmosphere. So, if you want to see something different in Italy, skip the crowds and head to Terre. You will experience history, culture, and beauty all in one place. Are you ready to discover this hidden treasure?
Did you know Italy has a city built on water? Italy is full of amazing places to visit. First, there is Venice, a city built on water with beautiful canals. You can take a boat ride and see colorful buildings. Next, we have Florence, a city that is famous for its art. You can see the Statue of David and visit the Uffizi Gallery, which is filled with famous paintings. Don't forget about Rome. The Colosseum and the Vatican City are there. You can feel the history in every corner of this city. Another must-visit place is the Amalfi coast. It has stunning views of the sea and colorful cliffside villages. Each village has its own charm and delicious food. Lastly, let's talk about the countryside. Tuscany is famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and small towns. It's perfect for wine lovers. So whether you want to explore art, history, or nature, Italy has something special for everyone. Where do you want to go first?
Did you know Italy has over 1,000 different types of cheese? Italy is famous for its delicious food, but did you know it has more than 1,000 types of cheese? From creamy mozzarella to sharp parmesan, each cheese tells a story of the region it comes from. Imagine tasting a cheese that is made only in a small village. In Italy, cheese is not just a food, it is part of the culture. Families have secret recipes passed down for generations. And here's something surprising. Some cheeses are made from the milk of special animals, like sheep and goats. This makes them taste unique. Every year, Italians enjoy cheese festivals, where they celebrate flavors and try new combinations. From the north to the south, each area has its own specialties. Next time you enjoy a pizza or pasta, remember the cheese on top could be part of a long history. So what is your favorite type of cheese? Have you tried any Italian cheeses? The next time you visit Italy, make sure to taste different kinds of cheese and discover the stories behind them. Italy is not just about sights, it is a haven for our taste buds too.
Did you know Italy has over 3,000 museums? Italy is a beautiful country with amazing things to see and do. If you are planning a trip to Italy, here are some great ideas for your journey. First, visit Rome. You can see the Colosseum, the Vatican, and enjoy delicious pizza. Next, go to Florence. This city is famous for art and history. Don't miss the Uffizi Gallery and the stunning Duomo. Then head to Venice. Ride a gondola through the canals and take pictures of gondoliers. If you like the beach, visit the Amalfi coast. The views there are breathtaking. Also try local seafood and pasta. Another unique place is the Cinque Terre, where you can hike between colourful villages. Lastly, don't forget to visit Tuscany. You can enjoy beautiful landscapes, wine tasting, and charming towns. Italy is full of surprises, and each place has its own special story. So grab your camera, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. Where will you go first?